Welcome. If you want to change keyboard theme in your CUBOT X19, at the first you have to go for the settings. Next, move to the system, click on the languages input, select virtual keyboard and tap on the Gboard. Move to the text correction, move to the theme, and right now we are able to set up one of this theme. We can download landscapes or gradients, but I'm going to use the simple color. The process is the same, so select, click to confirm, apply, and right now I will show you how our keyboard theme has changed. Thank you guys for watching, leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel. See ya!